Hey guys, this is Basant here and we have the good news. AppSumo is live and all the side of the deals you can get the 10% extra discount. So in this video, I'm going to cover their subscriber tool. With the help of you can research, craft and generate the YouTube scripts for your videos here. So this is how its platform look like, and you can see all the tools. We have the keyword research, title generator, hook generator, we have the description generator, tag generator, thumbnail grabber and even the transcript generator here. So I have already tested out this tool for so many scripts here, and I must say it is mind-blowing here. So without wasting any more time, let me give you a detailed overview and features demo how platform looks like. But before that, let me tell you the pricing here. Its pricing started from the $69 for the lifetime access, and let me tell you the how many the scripts or the access you can get here. So for every plan you can see we have the ideal chat generation per month is the 200, means the how many times we can use its AI to generate the script or even the chat with the script or the videos here. It is the limit is of the 200, but if you will go for the tier 2 or the higher plans, you will get the lifetime generation. So I suggest go with at least the tier 2 here. Then the channels you can connect here is the 0, credits per month is the 0. So basically you can see the tier 1 is not worth it here. But I must say, if you will go for the tier 2 or the higher plans, we have the channel connectivity, we have the credits per month, we have the detailed script outline, basically all the features we are going to see here in the starting from the tier 2. Now let's back to the platform here, and this is how its platform look like. First, what I suggest to go to the channel section and connect your channels. So once you do that, get back to the main dashboard here and click here on the open chat. And what you can do, you can also start creating the script. So let me click here on the create script. Okay, and now here I am going to just simply give it the command, the script it is going to generate for me, and from here I can switch to the channels for which channel I want to generate the script. Let me go for my ideal channel here, and after I click here on the generate script, and now it will asking me the topic of the video. So let me go for the best SEO tools for website. Okay, so this is something like the roundup kind of the video I want to generate here. So I will go with the format, so it will be something like the marketing, or it can also can be the review. So let me go with the review. Then you can select the script length, so you can see the words and the estimated time for the that script will be the generated. So I will go with something like the 10 credits, or the 60 minutes will be the so much higher. So I will go with around the 10 minutes here, and it will cost you the 5 credit. That is the good sufficient here. So let me click here on the 5 best SEO tools of 2025. Okay, so I have added my title. Now after that it will ask me the audience, so I will go with the here, click SEO audience for website ranking. Okay, now the language, the voice I can select here, so I can select my own default voice for my channel. This is how I basically talk like in my channel. So it will analyze my channel and generate the voice preference for me. Then the script number, I will go with the only one script. Then it is showing me the credits. Okay, the how many credits I have remaining right now. Let me click here on the script, and now it will start working on. But before that, let me tell you, if you want to tailor down your script generation, it will also ask you the more things. Okay, so it will asking me the okay, so I have added the 0 here, so let me go with the 2. Now click here on this create. Okay, so it will ask me the steps. Okay, so like this is the building process start. Click here on the research. So in the research, it is going to show me the videos, the articles from the internet, and I can select that. Okay, for example, if I click here on the search web, I can select it like best SEO tools, and now it will show me the top articles ranking on the Google. So basically I am making my research process so much easy. From here it will show me the articles, like I can select this one, I can select this one, I can select this one, and this one. So it will make it remember here. Same way I can add the links, I can add the videos, documents, and make it more things here. Okay, so I have added these articles here for the research. So basically my research part will be something like done. Now I will click here on the frame. Now it will go to these articles or the research content I have added while generating the script. Now it will analyze it and craft the script for me. So it will basically something like the tested, that people are already clicking, liking, or already engaging with that content here. Okay, so it will take some time, around the 30 to 20 seconds, so we have to wait for those times. Okay, you can see I got the frame here. Okay, like my frame will be the problem solution benefit, I have the comparison contrast, I have the case study, expert recommendation. So basically I will go with this one, that is the comparison and contrast. Along with the suggesting tools, I also want to compare it here, so I have selected that one. So simply click here on this tick icon, and now this frame is selected. Now let me click here on the generate. So before generating, you can also add your custom prompt that will be the taken care by the AI while generating the frame of your script here. Okay, so one by one we are covering all these points here, so till the end I will have my script. So I'm showing you all these steps here. Okay, so it will generating, and now we can see we have this uh more what is showing us. Okay, so it is showing me more frames here. Okay, so it has generated the more frames. Now I have to click here on the title to go to the next step here. Okay, so this is the next step. I already have the title. You remember I have added my title, that's why it is showing me, but I can generate more titles. Simply click here on the generate, and now it will start generating and giving you more title ideas that you can select from. Okay, so again wait for the few seconds. Every step takes few seconds, like the 10 seconds, 15 seconds, up to the around 30 seconds here. And you can see I got my titles here, so you can see I have the so many titles, and I think this one looks really good here. Now let me click here on the tick icon, and this title is selected for my video. Now let's go to the next, that is the thumbnail, and here it is going to give me the idea, or basically what you can say, the suggestion of the thumbnail that you can generate or create your thumbnail based on. So that is really good thing. It is analyzing the things and let you know what kind of the thumbnail will work best for you. So I got the idea. You can see split thumbnail, bold X stamped, pile of the cash, side by side comparison. So many thumbnail ideas I got here. So I think I will go with this one, like pile of cash flying, or let's go with the first one. Let's click on the tick icon, and now this one selected. Let's go to the hook, and now it will generate the hook for me that I can use while starting the video. And for a engaging audience, hook, a really good hook is important here. Okay, so hook will be generated. Again few seconds we have to wait, and here is the hook. You can see, hey guys, this is Basant here, and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. I just cancelled my subscription to 5 popular SEO tools that most people are paying hundreds of dollars for every month. And I must say, this hook is really engaging. Let's go with the second one. What if I told you that some of the most expensive SEO tools on the market are actually holding you back from better ranking? Again, good one. Okay, let's check this out. I have wasted over 5,000 on SEO tools that promise amazing results but deliver mediocre data. Okay, I like this one. So simply select this one hook, and my hook is selected. Now let me click here on the payoffs. Okay, and in the payoffs it is showing me something like this kind of the stuff. Okay, so basically the questions most people are asking, so you can also cover these questions in your videos. So I can select all the questions that I can going to cover in my videos. So they basically, my script going to be the noticed with or mentioned with these questions. Okay, so I have selected. You can select as many as you want, or you can generate more here. Click on the draft, and this is the final step. And now it will start generating the script for me. You can see ready to write. Is your research is complete? Yes. And now I can click here on the generate outline and draft, or you can simply just generate the outline. So I will click here on the generate outline and draft, and within the just around 30 seconds my script will be ready. Just, and here's the result. You can see it here. Okay, so I got the introduction, I got the keyword research tool, then okay, I got the why I did my $200 content optimization subscription, the site audit or scan, the almost got me. Okay, so you can see, and in the end I got the conclusion here. So this is how it has just crafted the script for me. I know there will be something missing, but what I suggest, along with the AI, you also need to do some manual work. What you can do is just follow the 80-20 rule, where we are going to use the AI for the 80% things, but 20% we are also going to our manual effort here. Okay, now our draft is ready, and in the last step, what I want to do, I want to edit something. So I will simply click here on the edit, and now I will be in the edit part where I can just edit the things here. Okay, so in the next part I can export this script in a different files or the PDF kind of the stuff here. I can just simply copy or download the script, the research, or even the thumbnail idea here. So that's how I use the subscriber to generate the script from research, from compiling the data, for drafting, and then editing and making it or generating the hook for me. I even got the thumbnail ideas using this platform here. So right now this amazing platform back again on the app, so much started from the $69, but I suggest go with at least the tier 2 plan if you want to get more value from your money. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, I already have created a detailed video on the subscriber, but this is the 2025 and I want to talk about the new things here. So make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the AI tools and the SaaS platforms, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you also take care about the sale that right now is going on, and on every software and the tool on the app, so you can get the 10% extra discount. So that is the good part.